Hey guys, it is Coin Sniper back with another video. Was on Plumber stream earlier. Was watching football a lot today, so I wasn't on there a lot. But I saw he's still trying to get to 2K. I don't know if he's there. I think out about it today. But I know he was very only like a couple subscribers away. So I figured, why not open all the packages I have from Plumber that have been sitting here for a while? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna open some of these up. Well, I'm gonna open them all up and make sure it's easy so that I can just pull them out. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm back. So that took me longer than I thought, but I am back. So let's see what we got here. Starting with this package right here. Ooh. I think I got another sticker in here or something. Was this a giveaway? Oh, this might have been a giveaway that I won. So 1963 quarter. Does like so many giveaways during his stream that I almost forget about him, and of course it won't focus. Because I'm not sitting down. So, okay, got that out of the box. I've been on a real kick of constitutional, so I have a feeling that's what this is. He really wraps this stuff up really well. So, what is in here? Well, it looks like the size of dimes, but I could be wrong. I swear, I have stuff right in front of me, and then I wind up doing this. What did I do with it again? I had my, there it is. I had my trusty little razor blade, which I'm still surprised I haven't nicked myself with yet. These could be just rosies, but I'm not sure. Like I said, a lot of these are from a long time ago. The package within the package. Look at how he did that. Okay. So it is a roll of rosies. And they look nice. Look at that. They look nice. I'll probably make a mess out of them, but I'm going to probably transfer them into a tube. Yep. They're beautifuls. So, 1964 and lower. Nothing wants to, this is not my day of focus. Maybe if I go down a little bit now. Yeah. Hey, camera. Remember me? You know, this is the sniper. I need to focus if I'm going to snipe. Well, you get the idea. So I got to roll those. So put those over there. This one's interesting, actually. Now, I don't usually buy like cartoon stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm like a cartoon character in real life because I'm always making jokes. But as far as like cartoon coins, I never really buy them. But when I saw this, I had to have it. One, I would show you my shirt, but it's in the wash right now. But here's the story. That's the story behind it. So I won this at one of his auctions, at Plumber's auctions, and Marvin the Martian. And I actually wear a shirt with Marvin the Martian on there. I call it my social distancing shirt. I've had it long before, you know, whatever happened, but it actually says, give me some space on it. I'm going to wear it at some point and show on the string. So here's this one. It's actually kind of interesting looking. So this is my first Looney Tunes coin from 2000. Can't tell what the year is. It says either, is that a 15? I can't tell. But it's from the Royal Canadian Mint. So look at that beautiful, beautiful lady on the reverse. Comes in this nice packaging. You flip it up. Oh, it's 2015. Okay. And this gives you the whole mintage and all that. I wonder what mint number this is actually. I'm always interested in those. Well, I could have sworn. Let's see. Here we go. These Royal Mints are always hard to find. They're all the way at the bottom. So this one is 304. Wow, it's actually not that bad. It'll zoom in. Or not. Alright, I'm gonna sit down. This is driving me wild. I don't even know why I'm trying to stand. Come on. I feel like it's trying to. There we go. See? 340 out of 30,000. That's a pretty low mintage. I didn't even know that. So that's good to know. I got that a while ago. Man, I really had this stuff sitting. But look at that. Where's the kabloom? The kaboom. Kabloom. What am I, oh, that's not good. That wasn't the coin dropping. That was the box dropping the coin. I'm just kidding. That's why they have capsules. Thank God for the capsule. That's why I always try to put things in capsules right away, so because I'm clumsy. All right, so that's that. Let's move on. Got this right here. Just down again. Oh, just trying to get back into the swing of things. Can't seem to get there. All right. These are more right here. This is interesting. I'm not quite sure how to open this. Coin Sniper's getting frustrated. He really does this really well. I don't know how you do it, Plumber. You must. Oh, it's a slab. That's why. I don't even. That's why it's like a present. It's like these are specifically meant to be my Christmas presents to myself, and these are the hardest Christmas presents to open. That's a good thing, though. You have to have a lot of patience to wrap stuff. Oh my God, I forgot I got this. This one was worth it. This is the 2008 gem uncirculated by NGC 1/10 ounce gold eagle. So now I've reached some gold. That'd be really cool if my camera could focus. It's just one of those nights, and if my camera just does not want to focus. Hey, there we go. So, I'm so used to Canadian coins. Don't mind my fingers. They're all disastrous. I want to see the coin. So I got that in a slab. Kind of cool. When is gold not cool? Besides to the other side. Plus, I have a feeling, you know, with the new design, it's gonna get harder and harder to find those older designs. The prices, I don't know what they're gonna do. Okay, so here's another one. What is in here? Oh, another one of my favorite kind of designs, a kookaburra. This is a 2003 1-ounce kookaburra in the capsule. Very nice. I'm gonna flip it. There we go. So, got that. I'm starting to get a nice collection of kookaburras. I got to start going through my tubes to put them all together. Make sure they're all on one tube. I was going to do that this weekend, but yeah, that wasn't happening. So I got that. Moving along. Ooh, another plumber sticker. I love his stickers, and that he gave me a magnet too a long time ago. So I got a magnet from him. I also got a magnet from Steve Looking for Silver. I love magnets. So got, you know, the standard 1921 Morgan. I don't know. I save all these in my notes, but I haven't kept track of the notes because some of these are from, I don't know. Nice luster. Very nice luster. And this is a Philly. 1921 Philly. I've been building up a lot more Morgan and P styles lately, the originals. And I got this. Looks like a typical a plumber septic tank toned Benji. And it's a 1963. I can't remember if this is a. Is this a Denver? I can't tell. I'm trying to see if there's a mint mark. Yeah. I don't think this has a mint mark, which is actually better because from what I remember, the 1963 Benjis have a lower mintage in the Phillies than they do in the other mints. So that is toned like crazy. Kind of like some of the walkers I found in cornrow hunting. I got those. And I think it's a Libertad in here. Can't see. Could be wrong. Let's see. Yep. What did you? The plumber. I think you got like a piece of. How did you get this in the capsule? Is what I want to know. Look at this. I think he sent me a 19. I got a 1983 Libertad. There's a piece of packing in there. Don't worry, I'll get it out. It's a very nice 1983. Moving along. I didn't realize I had this much built up from him. I really got to open my mail more often. I have another septic Benji, and it's another 63. This thing looked like it was hanging out near copper. Look at it. Wow. So add that to the other Benji. And I got this right here. I'm just tearing this up. Let's see. This one I'll use the scissors on. Sometimes scissors, sometimes not. The fact that I haven't cut myself in a while is really surprising. Probably just jinx myself. This one's like, okay, so this is the big thing. I've been looking for a lot of Zombucks lately because I don't know. I actually didn't like this at first, and then I was like, I love this collection, so I started collecting them, and now it's getting harder and harder to find them at a decent price. So this one's a 2019. It's a Starving Liberty, I guess, right? Really nice shape. Currency of the Apocalypse. I got a couple copper Zombucks, and I think this is either my second or third silver one, because I know I got the Zombuff. So, also got this one right here. Can you guys tell them that I get a lot from Plumber? Whoa. Oh, I think I won. This might have either been a regular giveaway or a bin free, because he'll do these things for subscribers and mods where you type in a message that he puts and then he writes down a number, and whatever number he writes down, whoever winds up being that number gets to win what he puts up. So these are like 5 1-gram silver pieces. So that's kind of cool. Let me see if I can get it to focus. I never want to focus when they're up. There we go. Some cool pieces in there. So got that little baggie. Let's see what else we got. Here I thought I was gonna pause it and have everything open, and then I opened it up to have to open more stuff. All right. Ooh, got an old Panda. Another collection that I've been starting. Getting a lot of Pandas. This is a 1989 Panda. That's cool looking. $19.89, 1 ounce. So, another Panda added to my collection. There's something else in here. Is this another Panda? I can't even tell. Let's see. Oh no, this is, I think this was another, this is another bin free item that I want for being a member. This is a cool one too. This is that Cook Islands, the bounty coin. And I believe this is 2022. Yep, 2022. Coin of the future. I got that. That's a nice coin. It's a coin, right? Is it a coin or a round? Let's see. This one is no, it's a coin. It says $1 on it. Pretty sure that is a coin. I could be wrong though, so don't quote me. I can't believe I wasn't feeling well last week because I really wanted to wear my Festivus shirt to work and I couldn't wear it. It was a Festivus disaster. All right, this one I have no idea what this is. This is the Eagle, I think. I'm not sure. I gotta look this one up. But this is one of those reverse proofs from 2017. I actually had one in a previous video, a Canadian maple. This is not a maple. This looks like an eagle or a falcon. They have so many different, I think this is part of that Birds of Paradise or Prey. I can't remember. It's like a series. But I really like this design. It was cool. Got that one. Moving along. Wow, my video is getting way too long. That's what happens when you let it build up. All right, here we go. This might be the longest video I've ever had for one mail call. Maybe because it's one mail call times like 1,000. All right, this is another, I think this is another part of that series. This is a 2016. Is this the same one? No, this is definitely not the same one. This one kind of looks like the new, this one's from 2016. A reverse proof. As you can see in the reverse proof, you know, the portrait, you know what I mean, you know what the reverse proof is. The outside isn't shiny, it's the portrait that's shiny. So this looks like the new Type 2 design for the American Silver Eagle. I don't know. It's not clutching anything though, but it looks like it's coming in for a landing. But for some reason, I like it on this coin better than a Silver Eagle. Unless it's the proof Silver Eagles and the reverse proof are nice. Nice and shiny. All right. I only got a couple more. Only a couple more. So, as I tear along all this great wrapping that Plumber has. But the amount of time I took on this video, he's probably at 3K by now. Oh, man. I only put out recycling. Ooh, I got another one to add to the stack. How about that? I forgot that that's what I'm telling you, another one. A Beskar bar. So this, I believe, will be my 8th. I'm filling up a tube. So this will be number 8, probably. I'm going to put that in after this video. What else we got in here? Let's see what we got. I almost knocked the camera over. Ooh, got another Poseidon. But look at a nice stack of Poseidons too. I still, you know, as much as it took forever for me to get a Zeus. And I did get it. Where did I get it from? I think I got the Zeus either on Plumber's channel or Oregon's. But I still think the Poseidon is the nicest one. I got the Zeus right over here. Let's see. I still have it out because it's one of my favorite pieces that I picked up this year. So, Zeus. God of Thunder. Or God of Thunder. What am I talking about? This isn't Thor here. God of Olympus with the lightning bolt. Getting my mythologies mixed up. And Poseidon. I got Hades back there somewhere too, but I think these two are the nicest out of the set. And I still think Poseidon's the nicest out of the 3. But the Zeuses are harder to come by because they're the first in these series. So I got about 3 or 4 Poseidons, I believe. Yeah. All right. So now I'm all done with all that. I got the last. I already knew what this was, so I figured I'd save it for last because I'm still so angry that I sent it in for grading. And oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. I thought there was only one thing in here. For this, which way it looks, I'm pretty sure this is a tube of Constitutional. So, let's see. I picked up a lot of Constitutional this year because I really didn't do a lot of coin roll hunting. To be honest with you, I think all I did this year was work. Not a bad thing. Better to work than not work. Oh, he wraps this stuff so well. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to get through this. Look at this. This is a tube of quarters. Like I remember one night I was just like, "Hey, you got any rolls of quarters?" Lo and behold, he pulls out a roll of quarters. So I'm gonna go when I eventually hook up my microscope. I'm gonna go through, see if I can see anything, varieties. And we'll see what else we got. He packed this up low. So I already had one of these that I got from the mint. And I was like, let me see, like, it just kind of happened where he put it up. And I was like, well, I'm getting one graded. I might as well have a raw set. And I think I've had this for like a month and a half, 2 months now. And it is another 2021 American Eagle reverse proof 2-coin set. So now I have one that's almost done being graded. So if I didn't mess up with the paperwork, I'd have them both right now. One graded, one not graded so far. And here you are. So I couldn't pass up. It ended up being a decent price for it. And I think these are going to go up in value. I could be wrong. I'm just a sniper. What do I know, right? All right, so now that I've finished unwrapping stuff and talking your ear off, I'm going to go put away this stuff. If you stuck around this long, or even if you skimmed through the video to see the goodies, I don't mind either way, as long as you like what you saw. If you could hit that like button. I really should say this at the beginning of the video. Like I said, I just do this for fun anyway. I hope you guys like this, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be safe, and have a nice holiday if you didn't have one already. And if I don't talk to you before then, have a happy new year. See you later.